Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon Philippines. Good afternoon Australia. So mag-unbox tayo sa present ko galing ng tao na hindi ko kilala. So nagpapasalamat ako kasi deep in her heart this gift. So I don't know what is this, so we have to open it and the box and the box, guys. So far, guys, I really love my job because very close at home and then full time. So nagpapasalamat ako kay God na binigay niya yung hinihiling ko. Always pag ano ang hilingin ko kay God, binigay niya kaagad. So, pero nagpapasalamat ako sa God always. Ano ba ito? And the box. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this, guys. Hindi ko siya nakilala. At saka naka-wheelchair siya. Sabi niya, kunin niyo yung presents at my backpack. So, inopen ko yung backpack niya. Sabi niya, kumuha ka ng isa. So, sabi ko, okay. So, salamat. Salamat po. Pero hindi ko siya parang Filipino or I don't know, other from other country, I don't know. But I'm just saying thankful for her. I don't know what is this. Ano guys? Ano ba to, guys? Hala guys, ano ba to? I think mamahalin to, guys. Super ganda, guys. Na-surprise ko to nag-wheelchair siya, guys. So naawa ako sa kanya. Bakit niya na ano ba, guys, naisipan niya na magbigay ng mga tao. Wow, guys, ito yung fragrance for the house, you know. See? Wow. Ilagay ko, paano ba to? I will open it. She said if she come to the mall and then she's going to the toilet, and then if she see me, she said, can you help me please? I said yes, I will, because naawa ako sa mga tao na hindi makalakad, yung mga may kapansanan. Paano na lang kung tayo may kapansanan? It feels like so sad if nobody's help us. But if someone's help us, we're very happy person, even though we cannot walk like normal person. But you know what, guys, she cannot walk, but she's happy to share her blessings. That's a good thing, guys. Ano ba to? What's that? So, Christmas is araw ng mga pag-share. Ito guys. I know my husband, she love that. I think he put it like this guys. And it's good smell guys. Wow. Hindi ko siya makalimutan guys. Bakit niya nagawa to? Na magbigay sa malakas pa. Pero nagpapasalamat din ako sa kanya. Pag makita ko siya, I will help her. Kasi naawa naman ako sa mga taong mapagbigay, good heart. Oh, very hard. Very hard. I think ganunin to guys. I open it and then put in the, I don't know how to open that. Tropical guys, tropical. So mag-absorb siya dito guys, at saka good smell. Ano ba to? Parang ganyan guys. Ganito ba guys? Ito na guys. Pero I think i-open ko maya guys. So see you later guys.